Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are building a very useful and low-cost digital humidity controller circuit using the DHT11 sensor and an Arduino Uno board. This setup is perfect for anyone trying to control a fan or a dehumidifier automatically when the air gets too damp. The heart of this project is the DHT11 sensor, which can measure relative humidity from 20 to 90% and also track temperatures from 0 to 50 degrees Celsius. Inside this little blue plastic shell, there is a humidity sensing capacitor, a thermistor, and a tiny chip that converts all the raw readings into a neat, single-wire digital signal. To get everything wired up, you only need 3 main connections with your Arduino. First, connect pin 1 of the DHT11 sensor to the 5-volt power output on your Arduino. Then, connect pin 4 of the sensor directly to the ground pin on your Arduino. Pin 2 is our digital data line, and you can connect this directly to digital pin 2 on your Arduino board. Now, since this is a single-wire digital communication system, you must place a 10k ohm pull-up resistor connected right between that digital data pin 2 and the 5-volt power line to keep the signals nice and clean. Next, to turn this into a real controller that can switch appliances on and off, we connect a relay driver circuit to digital pin 8 of the Arduino. When the code detects that the atmospheric humidity has crossed a certain point, like going over 70%, it sends a high 5-volt logic signal out from pin 8. This 5-volt signal triggers the base of a small switching transistor, which then drives a 5-volt or 12-volt relay coil. Turning on the relay completes the external circuit, allowing you to safely control heavy mains appliances like a 220-volt AC exhaust fan or an industrial humidifier. The logic is completely automated inside the Arduino code using the official DHT library. Every 2 seconds, the loop function instructs the Arduino to pull the sensor and fetch the current humidity value. It checks the reading, prints it to your serial monitor on your PC, and then evaluates our condition. If the humidity is greater than 70%, it turns the relay on, and if the humidity drops back below that threshold, it switches the relay off instantly. You can easily change this threshold number in the sketch to suit your specific greenhouse or home needs. That is how simple it is to build your own automatic humidity control station. You can find all the details and codes in the link below. If you enjoyed this quick breakdown, hit that like button and stay tuned for more practical electronics guide scripts coming your way. Thanks for watching.